Most freelancer web designer will never see a 10K a month. Talent isn't the issue, demand isn't the issue. The real problem is they are playing the wrong game. While you are going back and forth whether to price the website for 500 or 100 or even sometimes for free just to sign some clients. Other web designers are closing 2K, 5K, even 10K website every single month. Their secret isn't design skills. They have simply learned the fact that clients doesn't buy website. They buy the business transformation which is coming from the website. 18 months ago, I hadn't learned this either. I was grinding with 50 cold calls, 50 cold emails, and 100 cold DMs every single day, and still ended up begging for a 500-pound website client. These clients are a headache to work with, demanding endless revisions, and paid late all the times, or even sometimes don't even pay for the website. I was stuck in this productized website trap, and one day I was so close to quit, but I gave myself 30 days to bounce back from this because I'm done living this life being broke and not having any clients every single month. And I started doing lots of research and started having lots of conversation with actual local business owners. And I came to a realization that I'm not selling a website. I was selling a business transformation with a high conversion to their sales. And after this mindset shift, I made my first 4,000 pounds and I made my first 7,000 and I even made 12,000 pounds in a month without getting better at design, just by getting better at strategizing and solving the problems my clients are going through. Here's why most of the web designers stay trapped without seeing any improvement in their journey. Building a website which just looks good is a commodity now. It's not a high income skill. Unless you can translate your website to increase the revenue to your clients, you will never get a high-ticket website client. Last month, I closed a 5,000 website project, not because of the client loving my pretty-looking portfolio, because I showed them that their current site is leaking revenue and I strategized a solution to how to fix it. Suddenly, 5K is just a bargain. And that's the difference between the web designer who just cares about the looks of the site and the web designer who actually solves the problems for their clients. Because they will diagnose the business problem, come up with the solution, and charge based on the value rather than the pretty looking design. If you want to make the jump, you have to make these 3 shifts. You have to sell outcome, not a website. Instead of saying, I can build a website for your business, you have to say, I will install a lead engine that turns traffic into sales. You have to start speaking in numbers like ROI, conversion percentage, and LTV. Lifetime value. When you can quantify all the things you're going to bring inside the website, the price objection will go away from the conversation. And the third but most important thing, you have to lead the strategy. Instead of asking what color do you like inside the website, you have to ask what revenue target you want the site to hit. If you made those shifts, then these 3 things will happen inside your agency. Price objection will go away, you will attract clients who respect your time and strategy, and you can increase the lifetime value of this client by signing them up for a monthly recurring revenue. If you want to ditch this commoditized business lane and start making actual money, you can make use of all the information and you can get out of this commoditized business lane. Guess what? Information is not your problem at all because information is all over the internet. You are facing with the main problem, which is the implementation. If you are struggling with client acquisition or struggling to get high ticket clients, then click the first link in the description and book your discovery call today. We will dissect your current situation and discuss why your past attempt failed. I'll only accept designer I'm 100% certain can win with this one-on-one help. If you are not fit for this one-on-one help, I will explain you why and I will give you a free action roadmap. So either way, you are getting high value from this 15-minute discovery call. Again, if you want to break out of this web design trap and start getting more high ticket clients, then click the first link in the description and book your 15-minute free discovery call now. And I will see you guys inside the call.